Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about inverse Laplace transformation. So now I want to show you how to answer. Before doing inverse Laplace transformation, we need to do about partial fractions. So we know that negative 3h we can put into negative 5h and positive 2h. Next, we can do about factorization by h. This one by number 2. Next, we can do another factorization by h minus number 5. Next, I will put about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over h plus number 2 and b over h minus number 5. Now, we do common denominator. So, about this one, it is missing about h minus number 5. So capital A multiplied by h minus number 5. About this one, it is missing about h plus number 2. So capital B multiplied by h plus number 2. Now we need to expand. So this one we have h multiplied by a plus b. And this one we have negative 5a plus 2b. Now we need to compare coefficients. About h, we don't have h, so this one equals to number 0. We have number 1, so this one equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So 8 equals to negative 1 over 7 and b equals to 1 over 7. So I will put this one and this one gone here. And now we have like this. Next, we can apply the formula inverse Laplace transformation. So we have the formula in here. So we transform this one into e to the power of as. So if we transform this one and this one, we have like this. So because we have negative 8, this one we have positive number 2, so 8 equals to negative number 2. So that's why we have negative number 2 in here. This one, that is about number 5, so we put number 5 on here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.